The ultimate guide to full-frame DSLRs in 2025, top 10 recommendations. DSLRs have stood the test of time because of their rugged build, incredible optical viewfinders, and professional-grade capabilities. Even with mirrorless cameras taking the spotlight, full-frame DSLRs remain a favorite of photographers seeking ultimate image quality and dependable performance. They use sensors the same size as traditional 35mm film, ensuring unparalleled details and depth of field control. These cameras thrive in diverse scenarios, from breathtaking landscapes to fast-paced action shots, proving they are here to stay. Ready to explore the top performers? Let's dive into the best full-frame DSLRs of the year. The Nikon D850 leads the pack with its stunning 45.7 megapixel resolution and exceptional dynamic range. It's the go-to choice for photographers capturing detailed landscapes or portraits. Its versatile autofocus and robust build make it reliable for both studio and outdoor shoots. Photographers applaud its long battery life and mirrorless rivaling image quality. If you need high resolution with precision, this DSLR will never disappoint. Ideal for those who blur the line between professional and artistic. Known for its superb versatility, the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV offers stellar 4K video recording and an advanced 30.4 megapixel sensor. Whether you're capturing weddings, wildlife, or cinematic films, this DSLR ensures every shot tells a story. It's lightweight yet sturdy, featuring an impressive ISO range to suit low-light conditions. Loved by pros and enthusiasts alike, the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV is your jack-of-all-trades for stills and video. Blazing fast and incredibly detailed, the Sony Alpha 1.2 captures moments other cameras cannot. With its massive resolution and game-changing focusing abilities, this DSLR redefines action photography. From sports fields to wildlife adventures, its speed sets new benchmarks. It's an investment-worthy choice for shutterbugs seeking both speed and razor-sharp imagery in every frame. For photographers venturing into the wild, the Pentax K1 Mark II is tough to beat. With weather-resistant features and ergonomic grips, it's designed for extreme environments. Its flexible tilt screen allows creative angles, while the 36.4 megapixel sensor captures stunning detail. If rugged reliability is what you seek, this DSLR checks all the boxes. Striking a perfect balance between photo and video, the Nikon D780 has become a favorite for hybrid shooters. Its responsiveness combined with impressive live view autofocus offers near mirrorless performance in a DSLR body. Its dual card slots and lightweight build make it ideal for travel photographers and content creators. Every frame is perfection with the D780. For professionals shooting fast-paced sports or wildlife, the Canon EOS 1DX Mark III is a dream come true. Its advanced focusing and burst shooting ensure every fleeting moment is captured. Built to last, this DSLR thrives in tough conditions. Whether you're on the sidelines of a soccer game or in the heart of a safari, it's always ready. Fast is an understatement for the Sony A99 II. Its incredible shooting speed combined with high-resolution imagery makes it perfect for high-action scenarios like concerts or extreme sports. This unique DSLR delivers a modern experience with a vintage twist. It's for photographers who refuse to compromise on speed and detail. Blending DSLR functionality with mirrorless innovations, the Nikon Z8 is the future. Its advanced connectivity and intuitive controls make it the perfect camera for tech-savvy photographers. With unparalleled performance and a durable build, the Z8 keeps you ahead of the game. It's the perfect intersection of traditional and modern photography. For photographers entering the full-frame world, the Canon EOS 6D Mark II is an excellent choice. Compact yet powerful, it offers standout performance in low-light situations, making it a favorite for event photography. Affordably priced and packed with features, this DSLR unlocks creativity without breaking the bank. A great starting point for enthusiasts. Small in size but big in capabilities, the Pentax KP is for photographers looking for a portable DSLR. Customizable and feature-packed, this camera excels in niche photography like astrophotography and urban shooting. Its vintage-inspired design is both stylish and functional, perfect for minimalists wanting high-impact results. From From capturing sprawling landscapes to isolating stunning portraits, full-frame DSLRs deliver consistency, clarity, and creative control. These cameras allow photographers to push their limits, ensuring every image meets professional standards. In a market dominated by mirrorless systems, DSLRs still offer unbeatable durability and battery performance. This is why they remain a trusty partner for many. Although every camera we've covered excels in certain aspects, they share common traits like superb optics, rugged builds, and versatile use. Their extensive lens ecosystems are another reason photographers continue to invest in DSLRs. Choosing the right camera often comes down to your unique needs, style, speed, or precision. You decide. Will DSLRs fade or evolve? As hybrid models emerge, the lines blur between categories. However, DSLRs still dominate for reliability, precision, and value, especially for photographers seeking consistency under all conditions. As technology evolves, DSLRs continue to adapt, asserting their place in an ever-changing photography landscape. Whether you're a professional craving speed, an amateur eyeing affordability, or a hybrid shooter seeking balance, there's a DSLR perfect for you. Explore the models mentioned and find one that resonates with your artistry and ambitions. Seize the power of full-frame DSLRs and start creating exceptional photos today. Ready to begin your journey? Choose your DSLR and let your creativity soar. Expand the description below the video to view the latest deals. Thank you for watching.